Welcome back to Tech Notes. Today we are exploring the accessibility settings on your LG Smart TV. These options don't just help you get a better experience, they are especially useful if you have loved ones at home who need clearer audio, easier to read menus, or more supportive visual settings. Let's walk through everything step by step. Let's get started. Go to Settings, All Settings, General, then Accessibility. This is the main hub where LG combines all the features designed to improve visibility, hearing, and overall ease of use. Also, we have a shortcut for this. Just back at home, we press and hold the mute button on the Magic Remote to hop direct into this menu. First is audio description. When enabled, the TV narrates important visual elements like actions, scenes, and movements, making movies and shows easier to follow for anyone with low vision. You can also adjust the audio description volume right under it. You'll notice that this audio can have negative values. This is a bit weird, but this volume should be as minimal as possible just not to ruin the experience for the viewer. And here 5 would work just fine. Next is high contrast. This sharpens the menus by boosting brightness and adding stronger outlines around text and icons. It is ideal for users who need clearer, more defined visuals when navigating the TV. Also, this option will disable the grayscale mode and invert colors. Grayscale converts the entire screen into black and white. This can help reduce visual strain, and it's useful for certain visual sensitivity conditions or if someone prefers simple distraction-free menus. Invert colors flips all the color values to negative. It may look strange for watching content, but for some users with specific visual needs, it provides a much clearer and more comfortable experience. But I just actually think this one is cool. Hard of hearing displays extra captions for anyone who needs them, but it will only activate if the program or broadcaster provides subtitle support. Finally, we have subtitles. From here, you can turn subtitles on or off, adjust them depending on the app, and make sure everyone can follow dialogue easily. Also, we have 2 options for the language of the subtitles. Maybe set the first language to English, and if it's not supported, we can go for the second option. Keep in mind that features like audio description and subtitles will only work when the channel or app you're watching actually provides them. And that's a full tour of the accessibility settings on LG Smart TV. These tools exist to make the TV more comfortable for everyone, whether for you or for someone you care about who needs extra support. If you found this helpful, check out my other LG TV guides for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.